Hello and welcome for a new episode of Meet Our Speakers for the upcoming PUG Challenge 2025. And today I am with Paulius. Hello, Paulius.
Hi, Wim. How are you?
Well, I'm fine. Thank you. Um, well, your last name is a little bit more difficult than your first name, but Kuprevičius.
Yeah, it's right.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Um, you're from a Scandinavian country, more specific, a
Well,
Baltic country.
yeah, more specific Baltic and yeah, from Lithuania.
Lithuania, exactly. You are the guy and all your colleagues that go around with those nice t-shirts about young developers.
Yeah.
But you have been running around with that shirt for a while, so now you can show this.
Yeah, already have some bugs created.
Okay, but again, we're not going to talk about bugs, but you're going to show something nice with VS Code.
Yeah, so I have a workshop about VS Code extensions. It's called From Zero to Demo. And the idea is to introduce participants into VS Code extension creation process and what could be achieved, and also the current possibilities of VS Code and how can it improve your workflow, and basically to start to allow the participants to create their own extension, even simple one, just to as an like a little demo project.
Yeah, and I don't know if our viewers know it, but you and your colleagues have already produced several VS Code extensions. I remember ProBro, one of the first, a Pro Peak to look at your output from the profiler, and there's another one that was work in progress last year.
Yeah, the last one we created last year is OpenEdge ABL formatter. So this is basically to format your code in VS Code. Yeah, this is probably the most complicated one of what we created because yeah, we have to analyze and format the OpenEdge code, which is, as you know, very complicated and has a lot of ways of formatting. So yeah, we're dealing with that.
Yeah. I remember. So well, you have all the experience needed to give a nice workshop about it. I'll remind the viewers that we have on our website pugchallenge.org. The first thing you'll notice is that you can get your tickets, and I would say hurry up, and also get your workshop tickets so that you have a chance to meet Paulius live on stage and be able to create your own VS Code extension. The PUG Challenge has two editions. The first one is from the 28th of September until the 1st of October in Boston, USA. And the second one is from the 5th until the 7th of November, 2025 in Valencia, Spain. So, Paulius, I would say we have given all the information. It's a very interesting topic you're going to talk about. I hope to see you on the PUG Challenge in Boston or Valencia, and make my own VS Code extension.
Yeah, see you there, Wim.
Okay,
Thanks.
see you. Thank you very much.